I'm Jody Brenner Ginsburg of Ginsburg Law Offices. Today I want to talk with you about how important it is to pick the proper doctor for treatment. Now, under Georgia law, when you report your injury to your employer or even when you were getting hired, you should be advised of a panel of doctors, a list of doctors. That list should have at least 6 different doctors on it, one of which should be an orthopedic doctor, one who deals with bones and muscles and whatnot. Now, many times there are employers who do not have this panel of doctors, whether it's posted by the time clock, whether it's in your manager's office, or it could be emailed to you, okay? But the fact of the matter is that if you're given that list, then you're trying to figure out who should I pick on that list? What kind of doctor should I go to? Should I go to the industrial clinic because I got to get in there sooner? And if not, and there are multiple types of doctors on there besides just the one orthopedic doctor that you might need, which doctor should I pick? And sometimes these orthopedists are just general orthopedists, and if you have a crushed foot injury, you're going to probably need a foot and ankle specialist who's an orthopedist. If you have a hand-finger amputation, you're going to need somebody who deals with fingers and hands as an orthopedist. Orthopedists have a general orthopedic MD degree, and a lot of them will subspecialize, whether it be the neck or the back as spines, upper extremities, hands, shoulders and knees, foot and ankle, and other types. So first and foremost, getting the proper type of specialist to treat you is very, very important. Now, it may not always be listed like that on the posted panel, but if we speak with you about it and we say, okay, we have to get you to this general orthopedist, and from there we can figure out who else is in his or her medical group to have them get referrals made for you, that's one way to handle it. Other situations where there are multiple orthopedic groups that are listed on the panel. Again, it just has to be at least one, but many of them have many different orthopedists. And knowing which specific doctor in that group is going to be the best doctor for you, both in terms of the exact subspecialty that they may have, and also that doctor's propensity for treating an injured worker and how they treat you. Do they order the proper testing for you? Are they going to get you to the point where either you can get better or you may need surgery? Are they the ones going to do the surgery? Are they going to give you the work restrictions that are appropriate for you given the type of injury you have? And we are there to try to help you through making that selection. I always caution people before you go ahead and just select a specialist in particular. I understand that some people just must get to the emergency room, then you go. Some people have to see a doctor the very next day. They're that miserable. They can't see the specialist for quite some time, so you go to the urgent care. But even with that said, please give us a call. Picking the proper doctor is very, very important. The type of treatment that's ordered for you, the work restrictions that you get are very, very informative for you, and they're very, very crucial in terms of what kind of benefits you may be entitled to under workers' comp, be them specific, specialized medical benefits. Maybe there's going to be out-of-work benefits, temporary total disability, temporary partial disability benefits, if you get the proper restrictions from those doctors, which you may need because you're so injured and you need to stay home, as opposed to a doctor who knows that you're injured and still throws you back in the workplace. So again, it just depends on what's going on with you. But picking the proper doctor is really, really a very important part of your case. And we know basically almost all the doctors there are in Georgia. We have dealt with them all, the different groups that are there and the specific doctors within those groups. So give us a call. We will gladly help you walk through proper specialty, proper doctors within those groups so that you can get the best medical care for your case and work your case to the point where it needs to get you to with regard to benefits. I'm here to help you. You can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.